Hey, Michael, you gonna give the chicken some bread? And give him some bread? Ah, they stole it. Here, let's just give him a piece. There you go. Oh, here you go. Try this piece. Oh, pick it up. Oh, the chicken, they're gonna get it. They beat you. You're too slow. Here, here, chickies. All right, just stop and hold it out to them. They'll come to you. Oh, you're gonna go. You can give him some more. Here, give him this piece. Here, hold out the bread so they can see it. You're gonna hold out the. Don't put it in that water. Feed it to the chickens, not to Michael. No, not Michael's. The chickens. Here, one more piece. Not for Michael, for the chickens. All right, that was it. Good job. Say bye-bye. Wave to me. Wave to the chickens. Bonk. The chicken's gonna get you. Look behind you. You got poop on you? All right, wave again. Bye-bye.